Hello student, good morning and Jai Sri Swami Narayan. Once again we will understand this chapter, chapter number 7, Chandni. In the previous period we have understood that there was a man, Abu Khan, who was living in Almora, right? And had some pet goats, and the goats which are running away to the hills because those goats were hill breed goats, right? So Abu Khan became so unhappy and sad when his goat ran away to the hills. And whenever the goat ran away to the hills, the wolf that killed it and devoured it. So Abu Khan became unhappy to see that. Now he bought a young goat. He thought that it will live with him for the long time. Okay, so he bought a young goat and he kept the name Chandni. Chandni also growing up, and one day, and also Chandni wanted to go to the hill. She became upset and refused to eat food. So one day she cannot resist on herself, and she said to Abu Khan that she wants to go to the hills. Abu Khan also tried to convince it. Okay, so I want to go to hills. Chandni answered, Don't you like the food here? I will give you tastier food and a much longer rope. So when Abu Khan heard that Chandni wanted to or wants to go to the hill, to which Abu Khan replied that he will give him some more tastier food and he will give her a long rope. Also, he asked that whether she doesn't like the food that he gives her. No, thank you. Let me go to the hills. Chandni replied. Do you realize the risk you are running? You obstinate creature. Obstinate creature means जो मानने वाला ना हो, जिद्दी creature. Creature means animal. There is a dangerous wolf in the hills. He will eat you up. Abu Khan did his best to warn her. Oh, okay, so in this way, Abu Khan warned her that if she will run away there, wolf will kill her. Chandni answered, God have given me a pair of horns. I will fight the wolf. So to which Chandni replied that she will fight with the wolf. Fight the wolf? Indeed. Have you forgotten the story? Your sister Kalua, who was the size of big deer. Okay. She fought the wolf through the night but was killed in the morning. So Abu Khan tried to convince her. He also told her the story of Kalua, who was fight with the wolf. Okay, till the morning. Okay, but it was killed by the wolf. Okay, and it was in the size of big deer. Abu Khan narrated Kalua's story for the 50th time, but after explaining the story, after telling the story of Kalua, this Chandni, the goat, did not convince. वो मानी नहीं. She wanted to go to the hill. Okay, she want to enjoy her freedom. Yes, you can see in picture. Okay. So all this Chandni had only one thing to say. When she heard the story of Kalua for the 50th time, I want to go to the hills. She became obstinate. Okay. Abu Khan did not got very annoyed. He thundered, "You are not going anywhere." Okay. This time Abu Khan also not convinced. He became very angry and he thundered. बहुत गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. From today you will live in a small hut, okay, and not move about freely in the compound. So Abu Khan kept the goat in the small hut. Now she is no more free into the compound. पहले उसको कंपाउंड में रखते थे बट अब उसको हट में रखेंगे. Ungrateful means unthankful. As you are, you must still be saved from the wolf. So Abu Khan had said that you are unthankful. Actually उसको thankful होना चाहिए कि उसने उसको बचाया. फिर भी ये जो गोट है वो अनग्रेटफुल है. ओके, जिसका आभार हम व्यक्त नहीं करते तो हम अनग्रेटफुल है. He pushed her into a small hut and shut the door, but he forgot to close the small window at the back, as you can see in picture. Okay, but he forgot to close the small window at the back. The same night, Chandni made the window her passage to freedom. In this way, Chandni had escaped from this window. Okay, now what will happen? What did Chandni hate the rope? Why did Chandni hate the rope around her neck? Okay, so Chandni hate rope around her neck because she was hill goat, right? Hilly goat or hilly breed goat. और वो ये रोप को हेट करती थी because he wanted to go to the hill and enjoyed her freedom. Now Abu Khan understood Chandni's problem. What was Chandni's problem? Chandni's problem was there. She did not like the rope around her neck. She wanted to go to the hill, right? Abu Khan pushed Chandni into small hut. This shows that he loved her and wanted to save her life. Chandni reached the hill. It seemed to her that the old hills were standing in a row to welcome her. She, assuming that the hills are welcoming her, she felt like a child meeting her parents after years of separation. So, the meeting with her and hills like a child who is meeting her parents after long years of separation. Wherever she went, the tall grass rose to embrace her. The flowers bloomed to amuse her, and wind sang an endless song of welcome. कि जहाँ पर भी वो जाती उसको ऐसा लगता जैसे कि घास है वो खड़े होकर उसको गले लगा रही. इम्ब्रेस मतलब गले लगाना, टू हग. द फ्लावर्स ब्लूम्ड, ऐसे खिले हुए, और अम्यूज हर, जैसे उसको एंटरटेन कर रहे, उसको खुश कर रहे. विंड सेंग एंडलेस सॉन्ग टू ऑफ वेलकम, जैसे कि ये जो हवा है उसके लिए वेलकमिंग का सॉन्ग गा रहे हैं. हाउ डिफरेंट ऑल दिस वॉज फ्रॉम हर पास्ट इन द प्रिजन हाउस ऑफ अबू खान्स कंपाउंड. नाउ सी थिंक्स दैट अबू खान्स हाउस वॉज अ प्रिजन फॉर हर, जैसे उसके लिए कोई जेल थी. It was the happiest day in Chandni's life as she was free. Okay, she got her freedom. एक बात ये भी है कि 100 साल हम जेल में रहे, इससे तो अच्छा है कि एक दिन हम ऐसे फ्री में जिए, राइट? हमको फ्रीडम मिले. That day she played for hours on the grassy slope of the hills. She met a herd of wild goats who asked her to join their group. उसको wild goats भी मिली. And wild goats invited her to join the group, but Chandni politely refused. Chandni को अपना freedom जो happy उसका जो freedom मिला था उसको enjoy करना था. She wanted to enjoy her freedom, right? That is why she refused to go with the wild goat groups. She wanted to enjoy her new freedom all by herself. अपने आप वो enjoy करना चाहती थी. The sun disappeared. It means अब सन जो है डिसअपियर हो गया. इट मीन्स कौन सा टाइम हो सकता है? यस, इट इज इवनिंग. बिहाइंड द हिल्स एंड सन डार्कनेस एनवलप्ड द ग्रास. एनवलप्ड द ग्रास मीन्स कवर द ग्रास, मीन्स एवरीथिंग, everywhere it was darkness. The flowers and the trees, everything enveloped. Okay, ग्रास में वो छुप गया, सॉरी अंधेरे में वो छुप गया. The wind stopped blowing and there was stillness all around. Stillness means अभी वो हवाएं नहीं चल रही थी, एकदम से शांत वातावरण होता है, इसको स्टिलनेस कहते हैं हम. Stillness all around except for a strange sound which was coming from the bushes. तो वो किसका साउंड होगा? Strange sound means yes, those sounds of wolf. The sound was like a grunt, जैसे grunting का साउंड होता है. What was it? It was Abu Khan's voice calling her back to the compound. Nor was it the voice of another goat. Okay, it wasn't Abu Khan's voice. ना तो वो अबू खान का वॉइस था और ना तो कोई another goat का साउंड था. It was neither Abu Khan's voice nor another goat. Then Chandni thought of dangerous wolf who lived in the hills. Now she thought about the wolf. Actually, she knew about the wolf Who told her about the wolf? Yes, Abu Khan told her. Okay, he told her many tales, many stories about the goats that killed by the wolf. So she was aware of the wolf. She felt scared. अब वो थोड़ी डर गई, उससे लगा कि अब उसकी मृत्यु जो है वो नजदीक आ गई. राइट? Yes, you can see in picture. Okay, Chandni faces the wolf. Should she go back to the safety of Abu Khan's hut? She was thinking, क्या वो वापस चली जाए to Abu Khan's goat? No, she said to herself. Death in an open field is far better than life in the small hut. Okay? So, वो ऐसा सोचती है कि एक दिन की फ्रीडम भले ना हो, लेकिन वो मृत्यु को ओपन फील्ड में ही फेस करेगी, ना कि वो स्मॉल हट में. The wolf had come out of the bushes. Now, as it was grunting behind the bush, now it had come out. वो वापस आ गया सामने. And was staring greedily at Chandni. The wolf, it was staring. Staring मतलब घूरना. Okay, gazing. And was staring greedily at Chandni. His eyes were shining like a burning coal in the darkness. समटाइम्स अंधेरे में हम लाइट चलाते हैं तो आंखें जो होती है वो रेड दिखती है. राइट? सो कभी कभी किसी की फोटो खींचते, उसमें अगर नाइट को खींचते तो भी आंखें जो है लाल आ जाती है. सो द वुल्फ आईज वर शाइनिंग लाइक बर्निंग कोल इन द डार्कनेस. ही सीम्ड इन नो हरी. सो द वुल्फ सीम्ड इन नो हरी. नो हरी मीन्स कोई उसको जल्दी नहीं थी. He knew that the new goat was his. Wolf already knew that this goat of his, कि वो उसकी ही है. That is why he was not in a hurry. The wolf and the goat sized up each other. Sized up each other means अपने आप को वो देखो. पहले ना हमेशा जब एनिमल लड़ते हैं ना तो एक दूसरे को इस तरह से कितनी देर तक वो एक दूसरे को देखते रहते, साइज अप करते हैं. The wolf was big and ferocious. डरावना था. Whereas the goat, though healthy, was small. The goat was healthy and small, and the wolf was big and ferocious. The small is no weak. हमेशा छोटा होता है, वीक नहीं होता. कभी कभी चींटी भी एक बड़े हाथी को गिरा देती है ना? Chandni stood firm on her legs, head slightly bent and horns jutting out. She was a picture of courage. Okay, so she showed her courage. एंड हॉर्न्स चटिंग आउट, अपने हॉर्न्स को भी इस तरह से दिखाती है. सी लुक्ड लाइक अ ब्रेव सोल्डर रेडी टू फाइट अ ट्रकेरियस एनिमी. ऐसा लग रहा था वो एक सोल्जर की तरह वो रेडी है, एक अपने ट्रकेरियस मान मतलब मजबूत, एक डरावना, एक एनिमी है, दुश्मन है, उसको उससे फाइट करने के लिए. आई मस्ट पुट अप अ गुड फाइट, चांदनी थॉट. सक्सेस और फेलर इज अ मैटर ऑफ लक और चांस. ओके, सो शी डिसाइडेड टू फाइट विद द वुल्फ. उसमें सक्सेस होता है या फिर फेलर होता है, इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ लक एंड चांस. द फाइट बिगेन. इट वेंट ऑन थ्रू द नाइट, मीन्स इट वॉज नॉट एन ईजी फाइट. राइट? सो इट वेंट ऑन थ्रू द नाइट, पूरी रात तक चली. द मून विच हैड बीन वॉचिंग द फाइट बिगेन टू ग्लो पेल. अब जो ये मून था जो वो फाइट को देख रहा था, इट बिगेन टू पेल, मतलब अब मॉर्निंग होने को आई. पहले एक वर्ड था द सन डिसअपियर, अब था मून पेल. ओके, जब सुबह होती है तो जो मून होता है वो कम दिखता है. राइट? वो फेडेड हो जाता है. तो बहुत ही अच्छा वर्ड यहाँ पर यूज हुआ है, सन डिसअपियर एंड मून पेल. ओके, सडनली हिड बिहाइंड द क्लाउड. सो मून बिहाइंड द क्लाउड्स, हिड बिहाइंड द क्लाउड्स, वो पीछे छुप जाता है. The sun, the stars also began to disappear one by one. A faint light appeared in the east, and the morning call for prayer came from the distant mosque. Okay, so mosque से एक prayer की आवाज भी आती है. And east में, okay, faint light, एक छोटी सी लाइट, थोड़ी सी लाइट ईस्ट में दिखती है. तो ईस्ट में क्या होता है? Yes, sun rise होता है. The first rays of the sun rose. The first rays of the sun saw Chandni lying on the ground. Now, as it was morning, Chandni was lying on the ground. शी वॉज कम्प्लीटली सोक्ड इन ब्लड, उसकी पूरी बॉडी पर ब्लड था. द वुल्फ टायर्ड एंड स्लीपी वॉज गेटिंग रेडी टू डिवोर हर. अब ये जो वुल्फ है उसको रेडी था खाने के लिए, डिवोर हर खाने के लिए. An assembly of birds perched on top of the tree nearby was debating the result of the fight. And the birds were there, group of birds were there. They were sitting on branch and they were discussing about this fight. Who is the winner? One of them asked. The wolf, of course, most of them said. A wise old bird declaimed with confidence. Channi is the winner. But there was another bird was there. It was experienced bird and wise bird. It said that चांदनी वॉज द विनर. ओके, फ्रीडम चाहे एक दिन का हो, आधे घंटे का हो, लेकिन प्रिजन के 100 साल भी अच्छे नहीं होते. सो चांदनी ने एक दिन भी या एक रात भी बिताई हो फ्रीडम से, बट सी वॉज द विनर एंड सी फोट विद द वुल्फ. लड़ी तो सही, मृत्यु के डर से वो उसने सरेंडर तो नहीं किया अपने आप को, राइट. Why did Channi refuse to join the group of wild goats? As she wanted to enjoy her freedom by herself, and that is why she refused to join with the wild goat group. Channi fought the wolf because she had to retain her freedom at all cost. Okay, now discuss the following topics in group. Why did the wise old bird say Channi is the winner? As I explained you that Channi fought with the wolf for the whole night, but she did not surrender to the wolf, right. Death in an open field better than life in small hut, Channi said to herself. Was it the right decision? Give reason for your answer. Okay, as Channi enjoyed her freedom by herself, she was not free in Abu Khan's goat. So in Abu Khan's goat, the rope was around her neck, right. तो वहां पर उसकी भले ना उसको टेस्टेड फूड मिलता हो, बट फ्रीडम नहीं था. लाइफ, फ्रीडम इज लाइफ. डिस्कस दिस विथ रेफरेंस टू चांदनी एंड आई वॉन्ट. सो दिस क्वेश्चन जस्ट ओके, इसको कट कर देते हैं. नाउ कॉम्प्रिहेंस चेक दिस 2 question and answer, 1 and 2 this question, 2 question and answer. And in previous page we also discussed some of the questions. Okay, yes, we discussed these question number 1, 2 and 3. So these question and answer you have to write in your homework book. Thank you and have a nice day.